Hello. Okay, the target of today's video is to block website using a host file method, then restrict all distracting website using the host file method, then to protect your keys by blocking appropriate website. Also take control of your online experience. So that is the target of this website. I'm going to walk you through on how to do this. I have these two websites here with me. Okay, I'm going to cancel this. Okay, I have this website tiktok.com. Let's see what happened when I'm trying to open tiktok.com. All right, this tiktok.com. Okay, it's already here open. When I try to access tiktok.com, like tiktok.com. Let's see what happened. All right, I'm unable to access TikTok at this moment. Okay, let me try matures for whatever it is.com. Let's see what happened. Okay, sorry, let me open this notepad here. Let me try this domain to see what happened. I've already opened it there. It's already open, but let me open a new folder. Paste and go. I'm unable to access this website. Okay, all right, let me show you the preview of this website. This is a website we're about to access now, and this is an adult website which is not meant for kids. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to block any porn website, any adult website, any illegal website you don't want your kids to access, or yourself you don't want to access them. All right, now let me show you my host file. Here is my host file. Okay, the reason why I was not able to access the matures for whatever.com is because I've already added it here, and also tiktok.com I cannot be able to access it because it's already here. But let me make some changes to see what happens. Now I can be able to delete this website from here. Just cut it, then save it again. All right, for me to propagate these changes, then I have to go to my cmd and flush my DNS. Go to your search bar, type cmd, then run as an administrator, then accept it. Then I have to type ipconfig space /flush DNS, then hit enter. All right, successfully I have flushed my DNS. Then I have to restart my Chrome browser, sorry, my Firefox, for this to propagate. So go to your Firefox. Either you do this manually, or you just type about column, then profiles, then click enter. Then you're going to see this option, restart normally. Let me show you from here. Restart normally. Okay, then let me click restart normally. Then it's going to restart my Firefox. Actually, you can just close the Firefox and open it again, but I am showing you another method to do that. Okay, all right, now let me access this website again to see what happened. Remember, can you see that I was able to access the website? Then let me open this TikTok. I was able to access TikTok. Okay, as you can see it. All right, so I'm going to walk you through on how to do this and block any website like this, both porn website, pornography, whatever illegal stuff you don't want to see. All right, okay, now to walk you through, there are two steps to do this. The first step to do this is you are going to install Notepad++ on your PC. Okay, you have to install Notepad++. I have already installed Notepad++. It's already installed on my PC. Okay, I have you have to follow this link. I'm going to leave this link in the description below. Notepad++, just copy the link, then go to your browser, or you can just type Notepad++, Notepad ++++, then hit enter, then click here. It is going to redirect you, or you can copy the link and paste it and then download it. Okay, so that is it. So you can do this on your own. So the next thing to do now is to, after opening Notepad++, okay, then we are going to follow these steps. Now we're going to look at this directory on your PC, C drive, Windows directory, system32 directory, then drivers directory, okay, then etc directory. That is where we're going to modify this file. Okay, now let me show you, let me walk you through. There are two steps to locate your C drive. Either you use a Windows E command, it's going to open your file explorer, then you go to this PC, or you can scroll down here to start menu, right click, then click file explorer. So these are two ways to do this. Sorry. All right, so I will maximize this. So this is my C drive, then click this PC, then go to your C drive. Let's then go to Windows, okay, then locate system32, then locate drivers, then locate etc. Okay, here is it. Okay, this is a host file. Whatever you modified here is going to affect your browser. Okay, then right click, then open with edit with Notepad++. This is the first step to do it. I'm going to do it with Notepad++, also do it with a normal Notepad. Okay, now the next thing we are going to do now is to paste add the file, the website that we want to restrict from our browsers. Now I'm going to add the default IP address 127.0.0.1, then space, then add the website you want to restrict. Then I'm going to add tiktok.com, www.tiktok.com. Make sure you follow the steps like I do, then paste tiktok.com. Then I'm going to go to meet naughty women whatever, then copy it. All right, go to Notepad++, then click enter under it, paste here. But before that, make sure you put the IP address 127.0.0.0.1, then give a space. Okay, then now you have to click file, then click save. Okay, then the prompt say, do you want to launch Notepad++ as administrator? Yes, click yes. Also click yes. You can as well do this with Control S to save it. So then let me close this. So for this to propagate, okay, let me show you something. This cannot work except you flush your DNS. Let me refresh the page to see what is going to happen. We can still access the website. Then let me try this one again and see what happens. We can still access the website. Okay, so now for you to propagate this, you need to flush your DNS. As I told you, go to your command prompt, then open your command prompt, then type ipconfig ipconfig space slash flushdns, then click enter. Then you must see this successful message. Then the next thing to do is to restart your browser. Like, you can copy this, I'm going to leave it in the description below. Copy this, then paste it on your browser. Okay, then it's going to show you restart normally, or you can just close your manually close your browser, then start your browser again. I'm using Firefox for this tutorial. Okay. All right, see what happens. Let's try to access the website to see what happened. Sorry, let's try again. Let's see what happened. Can see a second. Okay, let's flush the DNS again to see restart our browser again. Okay, all right, but before this, let me check if all right, it's there. Okay, then let me flush the DNS again to see what the reason why it's not propagating. ipconfig space slash flush DNS, click enter. All right, I have to restart again. Restart normally. Okay, now let's try to see what happened. Okay, sorry, let me close down this file here. I have to close this and try again to see the reaction from the website. Sorry. Okay, let me open this here again to see what happened. Why? Okay, let me save this again. If there is any mistake, I want to spell tiktok.com. Okay, let me just save. Okay, let me save again. Sorry, we're going to try this again to know where the problem is coming from. Then after propagating, then I think I did not save it after the changes. That was a problem. Then ipconfig slash flush DNS space successful. Then let's restart the browser. So I think the reason why it did not go through because I was not able to flush save after changes. So let me open again to see what will happen. Can you see that? Okay, the mistake was from me. I did not save after making the changes. I was not able to save the changes. Can you see? So let's see if this one will open. Give it a time. Still loading. I believe it's not going to open. So that is it. It's already locked, so can't be able to open. Can you see that? Cannot be able to access it again. We can't access TikTok, and we can access this website again. Let me click enter to see what happened. See it? Yeah, you can't be able to access the website again. So I blocked it. It cannot be able to open. So the second step to do this, let me show you. So the first one is using a Notepad++. think that one was a bit easy for you to do that. So as well, not to follow the first step which I did manually, then you can just copy the directory, then use Windows E command to go to your file explorer, go to PC, then open your C drive. Okay, then highlight here, you can see, just go back and highlight here, then paste the directory here, then click enter. As well, you can, this is a shortcut to do this. This is directed to the host file, then right click and also edit with Notepad if you don't want to follow the manual process which I followed. Okay, alright. So the second way to also locate host file, the third way, another step to locate the host file, you can use you can download everything app. This is a software, everything, the name is everything. Just come to the search bar, type host, then you can be able to see your host file. You see, this is my host file. I can just locate here, right click, show paths. You see, very easy to do this, then right click and edit. So this is a third method to locate your host file very easily. So I'm going to remove this. Alright, the second step, let's see the steps. Okay, the second steps now is to use a Notepad to do this. So to apply this, then you have to open a Notepad. As an administrator, come to your search bar, type Notepad, then open Notepad as administrator. Please, you must open as an administrator, then accept the conditions. Alright, the Notepad is open here. Then the next thing to do is to go here, files, then choose open. Okay, files, then open. Okay, then copy the directory which I have given to you here. Alright, copy the directory. If you don't want to follow the first step, copy the directory, then paste it here, paste. Then you are going to be on the same directory. So then the next thing you're going to do is to click here, test document. Okay, then choose all files so you can be able to view the host file. Okay, then open the host, click on the host, then click open. This is going to show you the same interface. So if you want to add any website, like any porn website like the one I have here, these are the list of porn websites. If I want to block them, I will just copy them, or the porn website I don't want to visit, then come here and click enter, then paste all the porn website. Okay, you can see Pornhub. So after doing that, just click files and click save, then follow the same normal routine. Come to your open your command prompt, type ipconfig space / flushdns, then click enter. Okay, so now that is it. Then open your browser for this to propagate. Then open your browser and restart your browser, or you can close it and open it again manually, or you can use this command which I provided here. Then that is it. Okay, let's try accessing this website to see what happened. Let's try to access Pornhub. can you see that I cannot be able to access any porn website? Okay, let me try another porn website to see what happened. SS video. Let me open SS video here. Paste. Sorry, I made a mistake. Remove this. To access SS video, just remove this. Just click ssvideo.com. Sorry. www.ssvideo.com. So it cannot open. So that is it. So any website you want to unlock, you can still go back to the host file. Let's assume I want to unlock TikTok and match out for whatever.com. Then I will just delete it from the host file, then save. Click save. Any website you want to access, then remove it and click save. Then do as usual ipconfig slash flushdns, then DNS. Okay, click enter. Successful message. Then restart your browser, close your browser, and open your browser. So this is not only applicable to Firefox, it is applicable to all website, all browser on your PC. Okay, then let me try open this website again. So I was able to open TikTok again because I've already deleted it from the host file. Okay, it's not here. So TikTok can be accessible. Then Meet Naughty Women also is accessible. So that is it. Let me check if here is there another thing. I forgot. Nothing. All right. So this one you can try it on your, if you want to start Chrome, maybe, or restart Chrome from your command prompt. But I believe Firefox cannot be restart from a command prompt. So you can restart Edge or maybe Chrome. So can just click here and start now, but I'm not restarting my Chrome. Alright, this is it for this video. If this video is helpful, maybe I've learned something new today from my video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It will help me to produce more video like this. So see you in the next one. Well on.